between Thailand or Siam and China has been long and intense, especially in the reign of Rama III in the mid-19th century. There's been a lot of people from mainland China coming over to Bangkok, to Thailand to settle and trade. This is a symbol of this exchange whereby the boat, in this case, is a work by Yong, the famous Chinese artist who has been living in Beijing and then moved to live in Paris. The dragon boat is a symbol of travel, transport and power. And Yong has chosen the image of the dragon with open mouth and trying to chase and grab the globe or the symbol of crystal. So this way the boat shows that powerful. It is the vessel that brings people across from mainland China to settle in Thailand. For Dragon Boat by Yong, the viewer can come inside and look what the pieces consist of. And it comprises of luggage, travel, and the goods that have been placed in this travel in the vessel. Outside, made up of paddles which don't actually work because they consist of broom, gun, spade, crutches that signify that actually these instruments don't actually work at all. It shows that this big boat, this big powerful dragon boat is in fact very fragile as it's made up of wood and paper. So it's like a symbol of the great power but also can be threatened and can be weakened.